History has been made, and this time the world is looking at Nigeria, specifically the Igbo nation. An Igbo man, Chinedu Andrew Obiekea, popularly known in the bodybuilding world as Andrew Jacked, has just won one of the most prestigious bodybuilding competitions on earth, the Arnold Classic. From Nigeria to the global stage, Chinedu has proven that talent, discipline, and determination can take you to the very top. But who exactly is this Igbo giant shaking the bodybuilding world? Where is he from, and what is his story? And how did he rise to become one of the most feared physiques in bodybuilding? Today we dive deep into the incredible story of the man now inspiring millions across Africa.
His back is so big, you can screen a movie on it. My favorite pose.
Chinedu Andrew Obiekea, widely known as Andrew Jacked, is a Nigerian professional bodybuilder who competes in the IFBB Pro League Men's Open Division. He was born in Kaduna, Nigeria around 1985, standing about 6 feet 2 inches tall, making him one of the taller athletes in professional bodybuilding. Before bodybuilding fame, Chinedu lived a very different life. He studied engineering and worked as an electrical engineer and even served as a military officer before fully dedicating himself to bodybuilding. But like many great athletes, his journey started quietly in the gym. His breakthrough came when he began training with famous powerlifter Larry Reels, who recognized his incredible genetics and potential. From there, the bodybuilding world began to notice. In 2026, Chinedu achieved what many athletes only dream about. He won the Arnold Classic in the Men's Open Division, one of the most prestigious bodybuilding contests in the world. The event took place in Columbus, Ohio, where he defeated top competitors including Hardik Chupan, Nick Walker. Judges were impressed by his symmetry, muscle fullness, conditioning, aesthetic physique. For his historic victory, Chinedu earned $750,000, the largest prize ever awarded in the competition's history. He also won Best Poser, earning an extra $10,000, bringing his total earnings to $760,000. Even bodybuilding legend Arnold Schwarzenegger, founder of the competition, personally witnessed the victory. Chinedu's rise in bodybuilding has been extremely fast. His competitive achievements include first bodybuilding contest win in 2021, Texas Pro Champion in 2022, Arnold Classic UK Champion in 2022, Mr. Olympia Top 10 2022, Texas Pro Champion again 2023, Mr. Olympia Top 3 2025, Arnold Classic Champion 2026. This rapid rise made him one of the most exciting physiques in modern bodybuilding. Experts often describe his physique as a combination of classic aesthetics and modern mass, a style that reminds fans of the golden era of bodybuilding. After years of success, Andrew Jacked has built a strong financial profile through bodybuilding prize money, brand sponsorships, fitness coaching, online fitness programs, social media influence. His estimated net worth is believed to be between $2 million and $5 million based on earnings from competitions, endorsement, and training programs. He currently trains internationally, including in Dubai and North America, preparing for major competitions like Mr. Olympia. Chinedu's success is not just a personal victory, it is also another example of Igbo excellence on the global stage. Across the world, Igbos are making incredible impacts in many sectors. Igbo professionals are leading innovations in medicine, engineering, and artificial intelligence across the diaspora. Thousands of Igbo scholars are professors, researchers, and university leaders across Europe, America, and Asia. From billion-dollar companies to tech startups, Igbo entrepreneurs are shaping global commerce. The Igbo nation has produced world-class athletes across many disciplines. These stories continue to inspire millions of young Africans. Chinedu has shown that discipline, vision, and consistency can change your destiny. If you're proud of this Igbo champion and proud of the Igbo people making waves around the world, go to the comment section and type Igbo Kweno. Let the world see how proud of an Igbo you are. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring stories of Africans dominating the global stage.